neon yellow and a neon orange, a cobalt blue. It's gonna be funny. Tutti Frutti and pine green. So it's quite a combo. And then we have white again, because that's what I already had mixed up. Actually, I think this possibly would look cool with black. So I ran out of space to put my pink on top of here. So I put a little bit down here of the Tutti Frutti. This is the same color. It looks purple for some reason in the camera. I started with black, then I did cobalt, then I did the pine green, neon yellow, neon orange, Tutti Frutti. I didn't do white. I put a lot of blue. I don't know if it'll show up, and I didn't really evenly layer the colors as I should have, because I have a lot of cobalt blue. It wasn't the right consistency. I had to make more, and then it ended up being a lot, and then I got overzealous with pouring into the flip cup. And this is a lot of paint apparently, and it's very wet. I guess I did the consistency differently this time. So the Tutti Frutti is starting to show underneath. Not sure if it shows in the camera. Oh, it looks very yellow in the camera. It's interesting because I actually have like no yellow here. Yellow has disappeared. I'd like to get rid of this edge I don't like. Yeah, I also think I put too much pine green. It seems like the whole thing is pine green, and I don't really like it. We're gonna call this one a fail. We'll do another flip cup. I was afraid to do the colors in a different order because I didn't want a lot of mud, because they're very, very different from each other. I think I'll put white on top this time too. Okay, we're just gonna do this again. Hope we get some better combos. This bottom corner is kind of cool. I'd like to see if I could keep some of that. The black and the cobalt blue are really cool together. Also, the neon orange is pretty cool. The pine green and the neon yellow also mix really neatly. Sort of looks like it's from outer space. There's a few neat cells in this. I actually used, for the black paint, I used a different kind of acrylic paint. So maybe it is because of that I have these neat cells. Okay, I actually really like this one now. This shows you that if you're not happy, you can keep playing. It's pretty cool. So this in the camera looks yellow, but it's actually orange and then pink. That color, yeah, it's more like coral pink in the camera, but the rest of them look pretty accurate, the colors. It's cool. Like, I know this is sort of muddy, but I kind of like it anyways. It looks very outer spacey to me, like zoomed in on a planet or something. It's so funny how things go, because I really thought that this was going to turn out awful, and I really did not like these colors on their own, and I chose them randomly. So it's funny how you think something is going to just be terrible, and it ends up being one of your favorite pieces. Now, unfortunately, it is on paper, once again. I'm going to maybe use these colors again and the same technique and see if I can make something similar, but like it's never going to be the same, obviously. But yeah, I really like this piece a lot, and I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see closer. Honestly, I feel like this is one where the camera doesn't actually do it justice. It looks cooler in real life. So yeah, that's how that one turned out. Anyways, thanks for watching.